Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Motel Keychains is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your everyday carry, offering a perfect blend of retro charm and modern functionality, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to add a touch of personality to their keys or even use them as unique bag charms or decorative elements. Number 5. 10 PCS Blank Vintage Motel Keychains. Get a bulk pack of 10 vintage-style keychains, perfect for your DIY projects. They measure 312 inches long and 134 inches wide. Crafted from quality ABS, these blank tags are built to last. They are lightweight, smooth, and durable for everyday use. These blank keychains are a blank canvas for your imagination. Easily add your own designs, words, or numbers using vinyl HTV printing. Make them uniquely yours. Print your personalized designs, words, or numbers to create a one-of-a-kind accessory. Use them as daily key tags, luggage identifiers, or room tags for hotels and motels. They're also great for gifts for any celebration. These make a thoughtful gift for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, or bachelorette parties. Add a personal touch to any event. What we like. This set offers a great value with 10 pieces, perfect for small projects or personal use. Its durable ABS material ensures longevity for your creations. If you're looking for a classic black motel keychain for vinyl HTV printing and DIY projects, this is an excellent choice for its simplicity and reliability. What people say. They are good size and fit my designs well. They seem to be good quality material, not flimsy, and have worked well for making some customs gifts. None have broken so far. They are very vibrant colors and cute. They are very bright and sturdy for my purpose. Good quality for the money. These retro-style hotel room keys are fun to decorate with stickers. The plastic is a hard, thick plastic that feels like nice quality. The multicolor pack is a great way to test out the different colors that are available. Number 4. Pinkunn 50 PCS Blank Motel Keychain. Looking for a unique way to express yourself? These blank keychains are perfect for your next DIY project. Add a touch of retro style to your crafts. These vintage-inspired keychains bring a nostalgic feel to any design. With 50 pieces in each set, you'll have plenty to share or create multiple personalized items. Get ready for hours of crafting enjoyment. These are designed for sublimation, allowing you to easily transfer your custom designs. Create vibrant and lasting personalized gifts or ornaments. From custom gifts to unique ornaments, the possibilities are endless. Make something truly special with these versatile blank keychains. What we like. Get a generous 50 pieces in this bulk pack, ideal for crafters and small businesses. These are specifically designed for sublimation, offering vibrant and permanent designs. If you love a vintage motel keychain look and want to create personalized ornaments or crafts with high-quality, full-color prints, this pack is perfect for you. What people say. The keychains are of great quality, sturdy, and well-made, making them perfect for crafting. The smooth surface of the keychains made it easy to apply the stickers, and the finished product looked professional and thoughtful. These are the exact same quality we bought at Hobby Lobby but at a fraction of the cost. Time will tell, but they seem very durable. Number 3. Thyle 100 PCS Blank Motel Keychain. Looking for a way to express your unique style? These blank keychains are perfect for your next DIY project. Get creative and make something truly your own. Embrace a touch of vintage appeal with these classic motel-style key tags. They offer a timeless look that's ready for your personal touch. Designed for sublimation heat transfer, these keychains allow for vibrant and durable designs. Simply print your artwork and press for a professional finish. With 100 pieces in each pack, you'll have plenty to work with for all your crafting needs. Perfect for events, gifts, or even starting a small business. These versatile tags aren't just for keys. Use them as luggage tags, craft embellishments, or personalized gift toppers. The possibilities are endless. Elevate your crafting game with these essential blank keychains. They provide a sturdy and stylish base for countless creative endeavors. What we like. This is the ultimate bulk option with 100 pieces, fantastic for large-scale crafting, events, or resale. They are ready for sublimation, allowing for detailed and professional-looking designs. If you need a large quantity of blank motel keychains for DIY crafts, luggage tags, or hotel key tags and want the best value for volume, this mega pack is the way to go. What people say. These blanks are great and come in a variety of colors. I'm super happy with the different shades too. True color as picture and nice and bright. I enjoy using these. Cute, easy to decorate and perfect size. Number 2. Pinkunn Vintage Motel Keychain Blank DIY Keychains. Looking for a unique way to personalize your belongings? These blank keychains are perfect for your DIY projects. Let your imagination run wild. Add a touch of vintage flair to your everyday items. These motel-style key tags offer a classic look with endless possibilities for customization. With 24 pieces in each pack, you'll have plenty to go around. They're ideal for backpacks, luggage, or even as fun party favors. Crafted from durable plastic, these key tags are built to last. Use them for hotels, motels, or any creative endeavor you can think of. Get ready to create something special. These versatile keychains are the perfect canvas for your artistic expression. Grab yours today. What we like. This pack provides 24 pieces, a good mid-range quantity for various DIY needs. Made from durable plastic, they are suitable for everyday use and crafting. If you are looking for blank motel keychains specifically for DIY crafts, backpack tags, or ornaments and prefer a manageable quantity, this set is a great option. What people say. They are durable and thick, which is a plus, and they look great with any type of design. Comes in many fun colors and is perfect for permanent vinyl or UVDTF. I love how they are individually wrapped and come already with a keychain ring and connector jump ring. Number 1. Newwe Key Label Sublimation Blank Keychains. Get a value pack of 10 blank keychains in various colors. These are perfect for all your personalization needs. Crafted from quality ABS material, these keychains are lightweight, smooth, and built to last. Enjoy their durable and comfortable feel. Have fun decorating your own unique designs. You can add your personal touch with custom words, numbers, and images. Use them as key tags, luggage tags, or even backpack and car keychains. Their versatility makes them suitable for many purposes. These make a wonderful gift for friends and family. The adorable shapes and multiple colors allow for personalized style matching. What we like. This pack includes 10 keychains in a variety of vibrant colors, adding an extra pop to your creations. The unique rhombus shape offers a distinctive look. If you enjoy personalizing items with sublimation and want to add a touch of color and a unique shape to your DIY keychains, luggage tags, or ornaments, this set is a fun and attractive choice. What people say. They work great and have a nice thickness to them. I love that you can get a multicolor pack like this too. Easy to apply vinyl to personalize. These are perfect for labeling, sturdy, last forever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.